But I'm not just here to help famous people. I'm here to help ordinary people, non-entities, people just like you. So if you want to transform your event from something devastatingly dull to eminently elegant, then I'm here to help. So pick up the phone or send me a little email, and in the twinkling of an eye, I'll be there, caring and sharing in my own gorgeous way. So come on, darlings, quick sticks. Oh, excuse I. Oh, it's the Pope on the phone. Ever since Benedict became Pope, or Little Benny as I call him, the phone has not stopped ringing. He calls me morning, noon and night for spiritual advice. And I've also been giving him some fashion tips, because quite frankly, the sight of a man in a frock, well, it's a little bit yucky, I'm sorry. Call me old-fashioned, but it is. Well, I better not keep the Holy Father waiting too long. I'll go and take this call. But I'll be seeing you very soon.